Okay, so now we're gonna try that one, there, man.
Yeah, man.
Put the callaloo in on the floor, right?
Yeah, cut up the callaloo in the flour. Knead up it.
Yeah. So see, we're gonna try that one there. The callaloo, you that Jackson? Ever eat that before?
Yeah, make history in the making.
History in the making.
Yeah.
Yeah, cut up well fine.
Yeah, callaloo dumpling. And we have soup over there, pigtail, chicken feet, cow foot and all of that good stuff over here. Come check it out, Jamaican Girl TV.
All the good cooking.
All the good cooking, yes. That is it.
We have to go try that out, you know. We have to go. We have to go by the river and go cook that one there.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, we have to go by the river and cook that one there. So if you're here in the week, we just head up by the river. And
Yeah, man. We'll be around by Wednesday, Tuesday. We're there.
Okay. Evening. Alright. So let's see. You know, it's not enough time.
Yeah, we're not time.
Right. So we have one banana dumpling and another callaloo dumpling. Hey, some fried fish and curry chicken back.
Yeah, that was mine.
Boy. Boy.
Even jerk chicken back.
Boy. No, what cooking curry chicken back on the side? You know? But you have to go down that one there, Mr. Last River one.
So where is the river?
It's up Garden Town Road.
Oh, I see you are going to the river. You are
Yeah, man. I'm just gonna find another one as well today.
Where is that?
Yes, same place but further up.
Uh-huh.
Find another new one. Nice!
Wow.
Yeah, nice. So you know, it's a pure adventure. You know, away from the work. Done the charity work with us take on an adventure.
Right.
Nice. That is the baby. We are coming for your van, you know.
Robert.
I'm
Ras.
coming for the van, David.
Ras.
I'm
Why you give me some laughing, you know?
the van. I'm gone.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
You know, enjoyment. Holiday next week, you know.
Yeah?
I mean, say, you know the thing.
Labor Day?
Labor Day.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, next week Thursday.
Means a holiday.
Why should I not remember? I don't find so long, so I don't remember holiday or what.
Yeah, man. Anyway, my job go, man. I went my job go last time. I got a tank full, man.
Santa Mas.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bad one. Go there a couple times.
Yeah, man. Up the blessing, you know.
Really?
The river there. Only river I'm going when I left from it, I feel like a different man. The hot and cold, man. Only river. You ever go there, Ella? No, but center.
Yeah, man, this is the crew, Kino headquarters. Yeah, man, I tell you, yo, we don't stop. Hey, we don't stop. Watch, you know.
No, man, this is a mash, man, for art. You're virgin art, free money. Art.
One cup of mash. You take it over now.
Yeah, man, art.
Callaloo dumpling.
Callaloo dumpling?
Yes!
Check
No, we don't put no stop.
Jamaican girls. Alright, you're fine.
Jamaican Girl TV, man.
You put stock and everything, but it's soft. I want to buy come in a can. We don't go like down a field, so we don't know feel to go.
Why is it? Where there?
Yeah, right there.
Walking
Cover the land.
Yeah, Baba, imagine. Walking Baba.
You have some of it on the land.
Yeah, we have to appreciate it, but mostly it's like the cardless here there.
Don't worry yourself, man. Next
We
time,
appreciate.
next time you get
When you
that.
get things, you have to show appreciation.
Next time you get that, man. Don't worry yourself.
I just try to pray for a big bread, but you want to know what you get? You get a little cookie. You don't tell God thanks. Better tell him thanks. Because so you're going to see the big bread now. And that's how it goes, is it?
Don't worry yourself, man.
Yeah.
We have it up there.
Yeah, let me tell you.
Yeah, don't worry
I
yourself.
know thanks from the tongue,
Yeah.
from
the
the
heart.
spirit. Yeah. Yeah, man, God said we tell him thanks in and out of everything. That's what I do. So here we are. Thank the Dream Team sponsors and support, and even the fans. Yeah, it's even the fans why I get this. Because some of the fans, them become sponsor at times. Okay.
Yeah, Jamaican Girl
I
TV.
saw it there.